Gotta put the microphone barely. You have to pick up louder. Yeah. I still can't hear you. No.
I'm screaming!
Preston traffic, got 3 X-ray holding short of 2-1. Ready? Windows on, pushing the door, see if it's locked. Okay, it's not popping out, so it's locked. Nobody on the left. I don't see anybody on the right. Alright, Preston traffic, so 2 X-ray taking runway 21 for southbound departure. Driving out left, turning left, crossing 35 look. Take off when I tell you to. Doors pointed back toward you slowly, so like from here, maybe to like here. Slowly. Ready? I'm at power. Alright, I'll tell you when to pull.
Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Ogden traffic skyline 32 mics, final 35, touch and go. Alright, pull back slowly. Logan traffic down, pop out, pulling back slowly. 17 down.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And we're flying. Preston traffic, so 30 turning left, crosswind 21 southbound. So to go left, you like driving the car, right? You go left, just turn to the left slowly. So you just wait and eventually it'll get out and bring it back to the right. Yeah. And to go up, yeah, pull back toward you. So yeah, straighten it out, leveling it out first. Okay, and then to go back, just pull back. Go up, you pull back. Over there, that go that way. That's the Logan Airport. You see the white light flashing in the distance? I can't hear you, gotta speak up.
Yeah, what do I say?
Alright, so you gotta say the name of the airplane, so it's giving you... Logan traffic skyline 32 Mike, left crossing, runway 35. So you're gonna say who we are, where we are, and where we're going. So who we are is we are Skyhawk 0.28 X-ray, tail number, to Skyhawk 28 X-ray. We are 10 miles to the north. So you say Logan traffic,
Logan traffic 32 Mike, left downwind 35.
Skyhawk 28 X-ray, 10 miles to the north, 7,100 feet, climbing 8,500 feet. Do you remember?
Take over one more time.
So you say Logan traffic, Skyhawk 28 X-ray, 10 miles.
Up, 28 X-ray.
Yeah, 28 X-ray. Instead of saying 28, you have to say 28.
Up, 28 X-ray. Going to Logan Airport.
No, you say Skyhawk 28 X-ray, 10 like 8 miles to the north.
Miles to the north.
8 miles north, 300 feet now. Climbing 8,500 feet, southbound.
Right?
But
Should I try?
yeah. Actually, try this first. Say Logan traffic, radio check. See if they can even hear you.
Oh, this.
Push it down and say Logan traffic, radio check.
Logan traffic radio chat.
That's loud and clear.
Up so they can hear you. So you still want to do that saying?
28 X-ray. Flying 7,500 feet.
Alright, stop. You messed it up bad. 75. Logan traffic, Scout 2 X-ray is 8 miles to the north, 75, climbing 85 southbound. I'm gonna do it, and you're just gonna see this.
Oh, wait. I'm nervous.
So you basically hold it in your hand. If I do it correctly, you will see it flow up away from your hand. Just hold your hand in the same spot. It will flow up away from your hand, and it's gonna fall back down.
I'm gonna film it.
Yeah, if you can see it. Logan traffic, Scout 2 X-ray, 6 miles to the north, 8,000 feet maneuvering. Alright, ready? Alright, I'm gonna pulling the nose down, pick up some speed. Kind of feel yourself getting pushed into the seat a little bit. See that? You lost it? You see how it flow away from your hand?
Yeah.
That's not zero gravity, that's like less than 1 gravity. Probably somewhere on the floor now, you can't find it anymore. I was hoping to get here before the sun fully set so you can see the stadium and all that. But it's dark now, you can't really see anything.
Although,
What's up?
the sunset looks pretty cool.
Yeah, like over there.
Yeah.